Here's the latest on xtalks.com. A new chickpea snack line known as Biena is getting creative when it comes to satisfying the guilty pleasures of health-conscious consumers. As better-for-you snacks are trending in the food industry, could chickpeas be the next big superfood on the market? Hello, I'm Margot Rubin, multimedia editor and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Emerging Food Trends That Can Be Found on the Shelf. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of this video so you can always be up to date with the latest Xtalks Vitals episodes. Chickpeas are the new cheese puffs, according to Biena's new Better For You snack line. The company claims that this new product will serve nutritional health benefits to please cheese puff lovers without sacrificing the flavor. Although this isn't the first health-based food company to fulfill consumers' salty snack cravings, these powder puffs contain 40% fewer carbs than other leading puff snacks, as well as 7 grams of protein per serving. With flavors varying from aged white cheddar, vegan ranch, and blazing hot, Biena claims these snacks use real fruits and vegetables for food coloring. Health and convenience are two of the main factors that inspired the creation of the snack line, both for parents looking to feed their kids and young adults who are always on the go. The chickpea puffs will be available to order through their website or on Amazon this April, and in-store purchases can be made at Whole Foods this coming September. As consumer trends evolve, the plant-based protein space is gaining significant attraction from the general public. Other examples are the recent release of several plant-based burgers and plant-based tuna. If one thing's for sure, the plant-based snack industry is unraveling at a rapid pace, and its relevance is making the industry more competitive than ever before. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story. And our featured food webinar for this episode is Emerging Food Trends That Can Be Found on the Shelf. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.